In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search block in your page layout editor workspace. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to your page layout editor workspace. Make sure the page you want to edit is already loaded so you can clearly see where the new element will be placed. Using Chrome can help ensure the editor works smoothly and that all of the layout tools display correctly. Once you're inside the editor, look for the Insert Item control marked with a plus symbol. This is the tool used to add new components to your page layout. Click that plus symbol to open the list of available content blocks or interface elements you can insert. Take a moment here to make sure you're adding the new item in the correct section of the page, especially if your layout has multiple columns, panels, or content areas. From the list of components, select the search block. This component is used to place a search feature directly onto the page, making it easier for users to find content based on the options you choose. After selecting it, the editor will usually display settings or configuration choices related to how the search block should appear and function. Next, choose the structural display format that best fits your page. Depending on your setup, this may include options related to specific search parameters, layout styles, or design sizes. For example, you may be able to control whether the search block appears in a more compact format or a larger, more prominent style. This is an important step because it affects both the visual presentation and the usability of the search feature. Try to match the format to the surrounding design so the page feels consistent and organized. Before moving on, quickly review the selected display settings to make sure everything looks right. Small adjustments at this stage can save time later and help avoid needing to reopen the editor to correct the layout. When you're satisfied with the configuration, click Save. This applies the search block to your page layout and stores the changes you've made. After saving, it's a good idea to visually confirm that the block appears in the expected location and that its format matches your intended design. That's all it takes to add a search block to your page layout editor workspace using Chrome. Follow these steps carefully and you'll have a clean, functional search element added to your page in just a few moments.